Hi everyone, it's Miss K. I want to quickly go over the contents of the lecture and support materials tabs on D2L. So let's go in through the content area and start with the week 1 module. Remember that you can tab through the items in chronological order using this arrow. For best practices, each weekly module that contains a lecture will have the exact same layout and the exact same content. The first item is a film grammar sheet. And this just acts as a study guide. So important names and terms will be contained on the film grammar sheets, information about the assigned films, and then you'll use this information in all of your assignments, discussions, response papers, and of course your tests. Below the film grammar sheet, you will find a PDF version of the lecture. So this will mirror the video version of the lecture and allow you to take notes at the speed that works best for you without having to stop and start a video repeatedly. I do ask that you watch the video version of the lecture, and when you're watching the video version of the lecture, you will find that they contain embedded quizzes. You can either replay the last section, the quizzes will test you on what you've just watched, or you can take the quiz. And I'm going to purposefully answer these questions wrong so that you can see what happens when you get a question incorrect. So it tells me, unfortunately, I didn't get any correct here. And then I can continue on to the next section, which again will be paused to take a quick series of multiple choice and true and false quiz questions. I do ask that you complete the quizzes. They will help in 2 ways. They will help you prepare for your tests on D2L, and then I get to collect the data and see whether or not these practice quizzes actually help test scores go up. The final item in the lecture and supplemental materials tab are the supplemental videos. I host these on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. You can expand the list by clicking on those little bars right there at the top of the video. And I do ask that students watch these videos. In a face-to-face class, I would show these as part of the lecture. Unfortunately, copyright laws prevent me from being able to embed them into my videos. So as I mentioned, for best practices, let's just skip down here to week 5. Each week that we have a lecture, the lecture and supplemental materials tab will contain the exact same information and materials in the exact same order. So I do hope this information has been helpful, and thanks for watching.